Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Piyush Yamini Official. So today I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about a ring light. But Yamini, ring light तो सिर्फ मेकअप वाले या टिकटॉकर्स यूज करते हैं. टिकटॉक तो अब बैन हो गया और मेकअप मैं करती नहीं. #I woke up like this. No, that's not exactly true. A ring light can be used by bloggers, influencers, content creators, and even business owners who want to do good photography for their products. So if you are actually looking to create good content, you should definitely watch this video. Alright, so let's quickly do the unboxing. So we got this ring light from Simpex. There are two brands, main brands in the market, Simpax and Digitech. Digitech is a little costlier than this, so you can choose according to your budget. This one is 20-inch Simpex ring light and we got this for 4,000. The same product by Digitech will cost you some 5,800 to 6,000 rupees. Now we went all in and we got this huge ring light which is actually pretty big. And if you're looking for options that are a little lighter on your pocket, you can go for the smaller versions as well. It starts from 10 inches and the costing starts from 1,100, 1,200 and so on. So I am a huge fan of online shopping, but for this one we decided to actually go market hopping. Yes, what a beautiful experience in this pleasant Delhi weather. But it actually helped, you know. So the same product online is available for 4,800, 5,000, 6,000 and we got this for 4,000. Pretty good deal, right? So we went to Gafar market to look for it, and the reason I didn't buy this online is because I wanted to test it before buying it, which is really important if you are buying something like this. So here it is, quite big inside, right? And it comes with this nice bag of course, the cord to light it up, and wait a minute, there's actually nothing else inside. It's just a heavy bag. Anyway, so there's this cord, there's this light, and yes, the mobile holder is attached to it. It is detachable, of course. You can detach it and you can change the placement of the mobile holder and even the light. Okay, so this is about the ring light. We also got this tripod stand within the same cost, of course. This tripod stand is by Digitech. So we got this. This is actually very robust and very heavy and strong. So this is quite useful. It's ready. So guys, this is the light. Let's turn it on. And this is white light at its maximum intensity, yellow light at its maximum intensity. That's how strong this light is. This is really a great product because it throws a lot of light and you can easily adjust according to the photography that you want to do.
So let's prepare our setup before we do the videography and photography with this light.
Alright guys, so we are ready with our whole setup, and here I'm going to tell you the difference between before and after, not using the light and using the light. So here right now we are using the light has been turned on and you can see the effect on the object, which is me, and the background. And let's turn on the light now. So this is the effect before the light has been turned on.
Here's our picture before using the light. And here's the one after using the light. No shadows, great lighting, easy editing.
So guys, I'm really excited to use this product now and I'm really happy with the results so far, and we are going to keep trying to see the effect that it has on our videography and photography, and we are going to come up with another video to tell you how you can make your content better using this ring light. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Piyush Yamini Official, and also our Instagram handle is Piyush Yamini Official. Do follow us there. Bye bye.